Hi everyone. Today we'll learn about the comparator. So what is comparator? So comparator means we can compare. How to compare? So basically, in previously we completed all the adder subtractor. So now I'm discuss about the comparator. So comparator, this is my truth table. So I'm taking A, B is my input because we cannot take any one input for the comparison purpose. So minimum we require two values. So I'm taking A and B. So if I compare A with B, then we get three output. Maybe A or B are equal or less or greater. So A, B, I'm taking two inputs, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So when equal, that time this value is 1. So 0 0 and 1 1. Like this I've designed this truth table. Okay, so after truth table, this 3 is my output, this 3 is my output and A, B my input. So output A equal B. So first we found out for A equal B. So A equal B means here 1 is there, here is 1. So here 1 means A bar B bar, A bar B bar, plus here another one is AB, AB. So that's known as the A bar B plus AB is known as the XNOR. Next, this one for here only one is there, so respected input is A bar B. So A bar B, this for this one A B bar. Okay, so this is the truth table. So now I have to design the circuit. Okay, so how to design circuit? So I'm taking my two inputs A and B. So first one is the change the first I'll change A B A be my input. So first is that A XNOR B. So I'll change A XNOR. So I have to take XNOR gate A XNOR B. So A XNOR B is known as the equal. So I've changed the name is EQ. Okay. Another one is that A bar B. Okay, A bar B. So for the A bar with B, A bar dot B na, so that's why I have to connect and get. Next A B bar. So next is A B bar. I have to design A B bar. So A B bar. I need and get. Okay, connected. So now I have to change the name. Okay, so I changed already everything. So you can check the truth table. Start simulation. If both input is equal, this equal should be on. So when this one, so 0 1 this one, 1 0 this one, 0 1 this one. So that's the comparator. So this is known as the semantic of the comparator. Next I have to convert this to symbol. So how to convert symbol? First file, save as. I'm changing the name as the CMP. Okay, comparator. This is semantic. So I have to convert into symbol. Click. So A B. So I need A place is top. So I'll give A value is 1 and B is 2. Okay. So you can check. Already have saved. Location is there. Click on simply OK. For you can find, click on symbol. Where is comparator? Yes, this one is my comparator. Okay, this one is my comparator. Now whatever when you require the comparator basically used for the comparison purpose. Okay, so if you want to compare something, that time you have to use this circuit. So thank you for the session.